Hey, welcome to Fix It. Today I will show how to turn off SafeSearch on Android. Let's go. First of all, open the Google app on your Android device. You'll find a small profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it. Next, look for the Settings option and select it. After that, tap on Privacy and Safety. Here, you will see the SafeSearch option at the bottom of the list. Tap on it to continue. To turn off SafeSearch, simply choose the Off option from the choices available. This will allow you to see all relevant search results, including those that may contain explicit content. Remember that this change applies to your Google account, so when you use other browsers like Google Chrome while logged into your Google account, SafeSearch will remain turned off there as well. SafeSearch is designed to detect explicit content like pornography and graphic violence on Google search. If you don't want to see explicit content in your search results, you can select Filter to block any explicit content that's been detected, or Blur to blur explicit images. Thanks for choosing Fix It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.